Happy Wednesday afternoon, 8th grade technology students. Today is March 17th. In addition to what we're going to be doing today is the last day to get any late work submitted, and make sure you email me the assignment specifics, and I will get to that today. Anything after today at midnight, just won't have the time to go back in and take a look and update the grade book. So again, today is the last day to get any of your missing or late work in. Today we are going to continue with Tinkercad Codeblocks, and today our focus is going to be steps 7 through 9 of that quick start guide. So we will head over to Schoology inside of Tinkercad, our Codeblocks folder, and that link here to the quick start guide. And again, our focus today is going to be on steps 7 through 9. So hopefully you got a chance to explore through step 6. So we're going to scroll down here. So step 7 shows you how to view that code block in our workspace. Step 8 is going to talk about how we can shape our shapes. So we're going to be changing the dimension on our shapes. And does a really good job of not only step-by-step instructions with text, but also some images so you know exactly what you're going to be looking for there. And then lastly, we're going to be adding a move block to it. So not only will it add the shape along with the color and any size, but that code block will actually move that shape on our work plane. So if you've used Tinkercad before, you know that you can actually click and drag that. Now we're going to be building that into a program that we are creating. So now that move isn't something where we're just going to be clicking and dragging that object. Now that move is going to be done by using one of the move blocks. So feel free to continue to explore today, not only just with a single object, but try maybe adding a couple of objects to that Tinkercad work plane. So that would look something like this. Again, I'm in my code block, just in a new code block. I'm just going to grab a box and maybe grab a cylinder, and I'm going to come down to modify, and I'm going to, let's say, move my red block, and I'm going to move that cylinder. And again, if I'm going to start this one, let's say at, just so they're not on top of one another, I'll put this one at 10, 10. I'll keep this one at 0, 0. Now when I hit my run, let me go ahead and move this one, let's say, negative 10 and negative 10. And so what this will run, when I run this, I've added this block first. It's going to add this red block. It's going to move it 10 on the X, 10 on the Y. It will then add this orange cylinder. It will move it negative 10 on the X and negative 10 on the Y. And so when I hit play, both of those move. So again, I can continue to add shapes. I can continue to add modify controllers in here as well to get my blocks to move based off of the code blocks that I add into my editor. Hopefully you guys have a great day exploring Codeblocks.